Hey everyone, Chef John Liddell at the Monogram Design Center here in Chicago. I want to eat healthy, but we don't always have the time to do that. But with the speed oven, it gives us the opportunity to take advantage of the minutes that we do have. For that, I'd like to show you how I make my favorite barbecued salmon with pomegranate mango salsa. Let's dig in. I'm going to start with one of my favorite barbecue or blackening seasons. This one I make myself, and I'll share the recipe with you guys too. So go ahead and make it if you want. If you want to skip that step, buy one of your favorite New Orleans style blackening season, something spicy, something barbecue-ish, and add it directly to about 1.5 pounds of salmon. This is going to be a custom recipe, so it's not pre-programmed in there. But the first step you're going to want to do is just take that glass baking tray, place it directly in the center once again, close the door, and then touch Custom Speed Cook. Add 10 minutes of time to this custom recipe, and then turn the upper to 10. Turn the lower to 6. Leave the microwave power off at 0, and the convection fan at 5. Press the selector twice more, and begin the cooking process. A very nice piece of salmon here that's been perfectly caramelized. You can see the rendered fats. You can see all of the time and work and energy that it looks like I put into this, but really the 5-in-1 speed oven did it for me. Very simple salsa, pomegranate seeds, chopped mango, salt, pepper, touch of smoked paprika and cilantro in there. Give that a quick mix. This takes no time. But whether it's the middle of summer or a cold winter day like we're having today, this dish will bring a little bit of freshness, a little bit of life back into your evening meal. I like to just flake the salmon off like so. And then place pomegranate salsa right on top.